Through the valley I may walk, but you are all I'll ever need. Gave your life to take my fall, so in the storm I will have peace.
Mabuhay! Sabay di! I'm Kisa. Today is our third day of exploring the charming town of Nong Kiao. And for today's video, the guest house owner invited us to do some kayaking. But before that, let's have some lunch first, and I will take you with me. Are you excited? Kaya tara! Samahan niyo ako. And we are now here in our favorite restaurant. Actually, we eat here every day because it's so supply delicious. For today, I ordered chicken curry and khao soi. It's a lao noodle soup. Let's wait for it. And I have now my orders with me. My chicken curry and my khao soi. Let's try the curry first. This plays in a cute style bowl. Let's get our rice first. And next the curry. This is actually my dinner last night, but I just can't get enough of the flavors of it. That's why I ordered it again for my lunch. Let's go, I'm ready. Wow. It has a very rich coconut taste. There's a lot of flavors in it. What I really like is the kick of spiciness. Oh my. I really like it with a lot of sauce. Sorry, I'm speechless. This is heaven. And now I have my lao khao soi. And look how beautifully plated this one. So this is my khao soi. And there's a lot of vegetables for you to put in your khao soi. And one more, we have a lot of condiments on the sides. Let's try the soup first. Let's go. Is really authentic. This is different from Thailand khao soi because Thailand khao soi is a bit creamier. There's a lot of coconut milk on it, but this one, it's a bean paste. It's a fermented bean paste. It has a distinct flavor too. Now let's try with noodles. Okay, let's go. There's small bits of meat in it. Plus, I love my bean sprout. I will teach you a bit of Lao style in eating any noodle soup. They always put some vegetables as an extra for their noodles, like this. Let's try it. Okay, let's go. This is perfect lunch for me. Wow, I am really happy with my lunch. Come on, let's walk around the town. And I found a very interesting drink in here. I want to try the sugarcane drinks. There's a lot of people in here before. Now it's my time. Come on. And now I bought a sugarcane drink. Today it's really sunny. This is perfect. Let's try it. Wow, it's really sweet. And it's very interesting how she make this. Now there's a lot of people. This is locals' favorite here in Nong Kiao. Supply. We don't need Starbucks. Let's walk around.
As we let go, no more illusions, no more standing still. All of fusion will never.
Now we are on our way to Kayak Side. It's on the other side of the river. And I'm with the guest house owner. Later, I'll introduce her to you. And I would like you to meet our guest house owner, the very sweet and friendly Miss Ed. Hello! We'll go kayaking. Come on!
For that sunrise.
We are now here in its friend's house because its friends is the owner of the kayak. So we will borrow, or I think we'll pay for how much. Let's see. Okay!
Awal ka sang pa ka.
Sabay di. Now we have our paddles and our life jacket. Let's go ride the boat. But I don't know how, okay? Hi. Can you teach me? Okay, you go first. Huh? You go first. Okay, we can try. Woo! Okay. Okay, let's go! Okay, there, and then come back. Okay. Have fun, because I don't have phone.
When life, it gets you down, steals your crown, and breaks your will. Oh, well, I'll pick you up, brush off the dust, and hold you still. And I will tell you when you're older how I love you just the same. It only matters where we're going. It never mattered from where you came. It never mattered from where you came.
Okay, Kapchay! Thank you so much! It was super fun, a bit tiring, but the scenery is really beautiful. It's actually my second time to do kayaking, but the first one is I did not do well. But now, with the help of Miss Eid, we made it! It was really fun! Thank you, Kapchay! Tired?
Okay, no.
No. Oh! Yeah, Miss Eid is really strong. Let's go to our guest house now. Next scene. And we are back here in our guest house. Kayaking was super fun. I did not bring any gadgets with me because I was too scared what if we fall down in the water. However, I regret it because I was able to see the beautiful scenery around the river as well as the Sleeping Woman Mountain. If only I have my GoPro with me, it was perfect. But it's okay. I had super fun with it together kayaking. But before the COVID, you can see this Nam-u River full of phalangs or foreigners who go kayaking. But during this time, it was empty because all of the tour agency are closed. That's why we are really thankful to Miss Eid, our guest house owner, because this morning she invited us to go kayaking to do this activity. And if ever you visit Nong Kiao, you must stay here in Arthit Guest House and try kayaking. It is super fun. And that ends our vlog for today. I hope you had fun with me go kayaking. And as I always say, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give me some love with thumbs up, and don't forget to spread the word. Share, share, and share. You can always leave a comment down below. And please do click the bell button so you will get all the updates. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!